So guys, yes, right now I'm planning to buy Adani Ports in the market level now, around 944 in the market level. So let's see how the stock will perform. So yes, I just bought it now. So guys, welcome to today's live intraday trading. So today I've decided to go long on Adani Ports. So as you guys can see, the market has opened in a 0.60% down. So it was a gap down opening of a little bit, not much like 1% or 2% gap down. It was like 0.60 gap down, and I could see that Nifty is also in a good support level, and also this Adani Port stock is also in a good support level. So that's why I decided to go buying on this Adani Ports, and also I picked this stock from top gainers list. So it was a top gainer first one today. So I thought there is a momentum in this stock for the bullish side, and also I can see that market is also recovering a bit now. So that's why I decided to go buying in Adani Ports. So let's see how the stock will perform. So this was the logic why I selected Adani Ports as a buying. Okay, so plan to take my exit somewhere around 4 to 5 points up. If the market is not too much of opposite, then we can hold it for longer time. If the market is coming down and if you are in a long side, then I can exit it with a 0.5% target. Okay, so this is the plan for today. So let's see how the stock will perform. So right now it has gone till almost 947. Okay, and also if you guys are new to a stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my courses today. In my course, I'll teach you the exactly needed skill to make consistent profit. No indicators, no complicated thing. It's a one-time payment, you get lifetime support, and also in live market I'll be guiding you personally. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, now back to trading. The stock has made a high of 948 almost. So yes, there is a volatility here, and also you can see the market has recovered. So minus 0.60% to minus 0.35. Yes, the market is also recovering. We can see some of a bullish movement happening here. So let's wait for it. So once it touches above 951, I can take my exit. Okay, so I'm planning 951 somewhere around there as my exit. So until that, let's wait for the stock to go up. So the stock is in a good support level. I guess it can perform. Okay, so let's wait for it. So at least 0.5% target, and once it hits the target, I can take my exit. So until that, you can see the live trade what will happen now, and how the chart and how the stock will perform as of now. Okay, so yes, we can't expect at a time to go up by 1% or 0.5%. The stock will go up, come down, take a retracement, take a support and go up. Okay, so you should always remember that the stock will not go always in your own side. So if you're in a buy side, the stock won't go always like 1 or 2% up at the time itself. Okay, it can go 1% up, take retracement, take a support and then go up. So you should always have a patience. Okay, but when you know that you're in a right side of a stock and you've selected a right stock in a day, then just follow the discipline and wait for your desired target, and always follow the stop loss also. So I just bought it around 944. The stock has made a high of 948, almost 4 points up. So once it goes a bit higher, I can take my exit is what I'm planning. So let's see. Okay, so right now it is coming down a bit. I think there is some of a key resistance over there, but I think it can break it once the market recovers a little bit more. So until that, we can wait and we can see the live trade now. So guys, once I take my exit, I'll update you guys so you can watch now. And also, if you guys wish to get the live market updates from me, and also if you get the live market update from me, like what trade I take, and you'll get the same trade update. So if you want all of this and if you want to learn from me, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen, and I'll be guiding you guys. So guys, yes, I bought it around 944, and as you guys can see, it went all the way up till 953. Even though the market was down, the market is now recovered. At the opening, it was 0.60% down, and now the market has recovered. Okay, so that's why the stock also went up, and it hit some key resistance level, and now it has come down. So it made a high of 953.350 somewhere around there. Okay, and it took my exit by when it goes up like 6 points. So yes, this was a profit what I was able to book today in the today's trade of Adani Ports. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading. So you can watch all of this performance, and you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.